Here we are at a little park area. Don't have much time to hunt today, so we're just going to have a quick walk around here. Last week there was a couple of tent sites and a camper van here, so yeah, just see if what we might find. Yeah, might get a few more bottle caps. Right, let's see what we got. Interesting target here. Let's find it again. It's it says 12:32, 11:32. Sorry about the glare. Let's see if we can get a better angle. Yeah. Let's see what we can find. Well, I'm just back on the leash, falling down on the hole now. I don't know how long that was. That's 7 inches or so. But yeah, it's probably down. It's like deeper than I thought. And, yeah, so definitely still down there. Dang. It's like, okay, I guess I'm going to have to keep digging. I should have brought a bigger shovel. Because I'm really short for time, I might actually just put this one aside. I've hit river rocks and it's still down beneath it, but there's so many rocks down there, big sort of river rocks. So I'll get a bigger shovel and my little leash, and I guess the Ctx has got a GPS thing I can locate, that I can map it where this hole is. So I'll fill it in and map it and come back with a bigger digger. Okay, I've got another hit. I think it's 11:41. Where is it? There it is. It was there. It says 11:37. Seems quite good at it, so yeah, it might just dig it. It says 6 inches, so yeah, I'll get ready for a dig. Well, dig another hole. I was thinking, oh gosh, I'm going to have to use the GPS function to lock this as well. About nearly 7 inches deep, and we're hitting the river rocks already. But it's whatever it was. It's not the hole anymore. It's somewhere in here. Apparently. No. There. Elusive little bugger, whatever it is. Okay, I'm going to find it. I'll get back to you. Well, I think that it's, we don't really have hot rocks in New Zealand, but there's one thing here. I don't know what it is, but right, clean it back up and have a look. Looks like some industry back there in the early years clearing the forest, but maybe it's some melted bit of lead or something. Yeah, take it back and have a look. If not, put it back in the recycling. Well, I've got a hit at 11, 12:39, 12:38 on the screen, and seems to be quite good. We're just says about 3 to 4 inches. So yeah, I tended to think that when the MineLabs sort of said it was 5 inches, it's usually about 7, just in this soil. But I think this time I can actually see what it is. I think it's this. Yeah, I was hoping it was a coin, but I don't think it is. I think that it's just an old. Great. It's one of those sort of brass have a look. Hello. Oh, it's a coin. Okay. Cool. Oh, it's an old copper. It's an 2-cent coin. Oh, sweet. This wasn't one of those conductive ones, eh? Sort of coppery coin signal, hopefully for New Zealand coins. This is 1234. Yeah, it's not actually what I'd call a coin, but it could be close to it. That seems quite solid. So I'll give it away. Oh well, I'm still getting to learn the Ctx, so I'm pretty much in dig at everything mode. I've already seen what I think it is. Looks like it, because it is a tent campground. I think this is one of those old tent pegs. Still shows signs of campers. So yeah. Oh well, something else for the aluminium recycling. I've got another hit here. Seems like it might be a coin, but I don't think it will be the at the moment. 738. Oh, there we go. 1237. So might dig it and see what we got. Just for interest's sake, because we're still learning this machine. There we go, something there. Well, we found it. It was just lying on the surface. It's a little New Zealand $1 sort of goldy coloured coin, a spendable currency in this country. So, yeah, groovy. That's what everyone uses EFTPOS these days. Oh, on to the next one. Remember the guys on the forums always sort of say, recheck your holes. Well, so I just started scanning around the area with my little probe just in case, I mean, it was on the ground, maybe they had dropped another one. And so far I found another one. It's one of our ferrous coins. They're shiny at first, but they've been around for very little time, and they're little. Got another tone. It's coming up 1239, 1240 on the detector. The scary thing is it's like 6 to 7 inches deep. Dig of it. Yeah, it looks like a loop out of off a tent or a tarpaulin or something like that. It's got a little bit of blue on it. So, yep, definitely not a coin, but oh well, I better put this in a junk bag and carry on. Might change sites to another site. There's one of the more favourite sites that's starting to clear out now too. So, see how we're going for time. I am actually running out of time.